In this video, we are going to work on an interior view at the night time. So the first step is to turn off the lights that we already have in the scene. You can simply turn them off by clicking them, and it's gonna show as a gray color. It means that it's not active anymore. I also need to reduce this number here that I assigned to the background color. Now I'm gonna put some spotlight on this wall and then maybe on that other wall. So let's start by assigning one of these lights in here. So when you click on the line, it actually puts it exactly on the surface, and sometimes the light is blocked by the surface of the wall. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to move it a little bit away. And okay, that's good. And now I can go to the asset editor, and you remember all lights are added here. And if I want to check the setting, I need to click on this arrow. So for this light, I want the color of the light to be like a bit yellowish, something like this maybe. Okay, and I'm gonna increase the intensity, and you see this is the angle, the cone angle. It seems a little bit low. I want to increase this angle to maybe 100 degrees or something. Also, one other thing I want to do is that I want to copy this. So you remember, if you hold control and move here, you can copy the light, and I want to type 3x, and you see it types 3x here. That means that I want this to be arrayed 3 times. Now let's see how it looks like. Okay, it's too dark, but we're going in the right direction. I'm gonna put more lights on the other side, on that other wall. Okay. One other thing I would like to try is considering some lamp here, and then assigning a sphere light as for that lamp. But let's take care of the other spotlights first. So I'm going to the spotlight again. I'm gonna put maybe one over there. You need to move it a little bit away from the surface, just a little bit. You can use the arrow keys to help. And then I want to also select it again and copy that along the wall. And I'm gonna type 3x here as well. Okay, let's see. Now if I go to the asset editor, this is the other spotlight. You see, although that I have 4 lights here, all four of them are here under the spotlight number 1 tab. Because I copied them, they're going to be exactly the same. These 4 ones here. If you want to have different settings for each of them, you need to create them one by one. I'm going to change this to 2000 as well, and maybe this to 100 as well, and I'm going to try see how they work. My guess is that there might be too close to the wall. So I'm going to move them a bit away. From the wall, and maybe I can only select this region, and I want to try rendering. Okay, now it's better. Before adding more lights, I want to increase the intensity. So maybe I could go to the asset editor and change this to 3000. Maybe that other one, I could change that one to 3000 as well. So the spotlights seem okay. I need more lights, and in the next video I'm going to talk about other types of lights.